41 Action News is the first to learn KU Medical Center will launch a new study later today.
And researchers are going to focus on a new way to treat people with mild COVID-19 symptoms. Let's get to 41 Action News reporter Charlie Keegan live this morning with details on a story you will only see on 41 Action News. Charlie, tell us about what they're set to announce to the public.
Right, so Taylor, we spent a lot of time talking about the bad cases, people with COVID-19 who end up hospitalized and whatnot. But researchers here at KUMC behind me, the KU Medical Center, they want to find a way to treat people with those less severe symptoms. So they're going to be launching this study later today. Now, we were not allowed inside the laboratory here at KUMC because of COVID. So I want to show you some footage of a hospital unit dealing with COVID right now. It's the patients that come into these units but then get sent home with mild symptoms. They'll now be able to participate in this study here at KUMC, where they get injected with a monoclonal antibody. This is kind of like a very pure form of that convalescent plasma you've heard us talk a lot about as part of the treatment for COVID-19. Researchers tell us that they really want to try and make things a lot more comfortable for the patients who have COVID-19 but aren't hospitalized like the ones in this video.
Right now, we have no treatment for you. We say, go home, monitor your temperature, monitor yourself. We have no treatment for you. So this study will help us address that.
All right, I'm working to put more information up on our website, kshb.com, about the study, about how you can be a participant in it. Of course, you have to have COVID-19 and mild symptoms to be a participant, so it'll be kind of a limited number of people who can be eligible. Lindsay and Taylor, back to you.
So, Charlie, you were telling us KU Medical Center has a couple of other clinical studies happening right now, also one about a vaccine, right?
They sure do. They're participating in Operation Warp Speed and hope to get final approval later this week to launch a clinical trial for a vaccine. They say they've got about 1,200 slots, Lindsay, and already 7,000 people have volunteered and applied to participate in this vaccine, which the doctor says is like unheard of to get that big of a response for these kind of participants. And he says it's a testament that people really want a vaccine here for COVID-19.
Absolutely. A lot of people waiting for that eagerly. Charlie Keegan reporting live for us this morning.